that school is back in, our dolls can use a comfy place to study. Using fabric, wooden dowels, cardboard, scrapbook paper, string, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by measuring a piece of cardboard to be 8 by 8 inches. I'm going to use this for the base of my teepee, and I want it to be a nice square. Cut on the line drawn, make a small hole in each of the corners to fit the wooden dowels. Cover the cardboard with scrapbook paper. I'm using a glue stick, and I want to make sure I get really good coverage. Place the scrapbook paper on top, flip it over, cut it at the corners so the sides can be folded over and glued down. Remake the holes. Take a piece of fabric, place a wooden dowel at the edge, then use it to draw a semicircle. Cut it out. Take the semicircle and fold it in half to find the center. Make a small round cut, and this is going to be at the top of our teepee. Take the cardboard, glue the wooden dowels into the holes. I'm using hot glue, but tacky glue is a great alternative. Allow the wooden dowels to cross at the top, wrap them with thread, looping over and through the wooden dowels. You can use glue to make sure it stays in place, but mine's pretty secure, so I'm just going to tie a knot. Take our semicircle of fabric and place it around the wooden dowels. I have a little bit hanging down on the bottom. In the front, there is so much material that it wraps over itself. I put a line of glue going down the wooden dowel, then carefully press the fabric into it. Trim off the excess fabric about an inch out. Add a little more glue to the wooden dowel, then fold the fabric over. Repeat on the other side, creating a large opening so you can see inside. Take the fabric at the sides, wrap it around and glue it under the cardboard, making very neat sides, completing the basic teepee. And our dolls can totally chill inside. Now let's decorate it. Cut a rectangle of fleece to use as a blanket. Use a post-it note as a pattern on fabric to cut 2 squares. Lay them good side to good side, sew around the edges, leaving an opening so it can be turned inside out. Add fluff, sew the opening closed to make a pillow. I added a couple of different pillows for a little touch of color. Take string, cut scraps of paper into rectangles, fold them in half, then glue them onto the string. I used different papers and made a pattern. Cut them into triangles to make a banner. Place it around the top of the teepee and tie it in the back. Add a string of LED lights for a little sparkle, then place it in the dollhouse to give the dolls a cozy corner. Overall, this was a pretty simple craft and it looks great in our doll room. The teepee and blanket are no sew, but if you want those pillows, you might have to do a little sewing. Ooh, and our Target Fun Find plant looks great in here too. Thank you for joining us while we made our doll No Sew Teepee and some other stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Give a shout out to LPS Glitter. What's up? Alright, another craft project completed. I wonder who we should give this to. I'll It's mine! It's about time I got something new around here. But didn't you just get new clothes? Doesn't count.
We can never go back.